Hello guys, what is up? Welcome to another video, and in this video I'll be showing you how to make a stasis chamber. For example, this is a stasis chamber. I don't know if you quite caught that there, but that is what a stasis chamber looks like. And now I'm much further than I was before. And I'll be showing you how to make one from scratch. So let's get straight into it. Okay, so first you want to find a decent area with a nether portal right by it. You can build one. For me, I'm going to build it right over here. So right here I have an entrance. Okay, so you wanna, and first you're gonna do F3G and find a chunk boundary like this corner. That's where I put mine. So first you're gonna have to dig out a little 4x4 area, kind of like this, yeah. Okay, you wanna dig out 4 blocks in the square. Place one water bucket in one corner. Place the other water bucket in the other corner. Now that you did that, you want to, like, you have an infinite water source, okay? But this doesn't have to be on a chunk boundary. So let's say I want to do it right here. Take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 blocks down. Dig one more, so that's a total of 6. Grab your soul sand, place it right there. Place your first water bucket. And you gotta place them in order or it won't end up right. Okay, so now you gotta get out. Make sure to not do that like I did. I was stupid, just barely. Okay, so grab this. Now that you got that, you finish by placing it in order like I placed that one right there. That right there. Grab the last piece of water. Place that right there. Okay. Now I just break that. Place this. Grab your trapdoor. Place that right like that, so it goes like that. And you gotta place the pressure plate right behind it. Make sure it does that. Now break that temporary block. Grab this. Place it back. And then now you just gotta hook your fishing rod up to it. Like that. Okay. Put it in your offhand. Now what you're gonna do is you're gonna get out of here. Gonna go back. You're gonna go to your nether portal. Right, oh, also don't forget to put an ender pearl in it. That too. That's also important. Like that. Don't make sure you remember to put an ender pearl in it. Don't forget like me. Now that you put the ender pearl in it, go into the nether portal. Fly. Go like. Oh frick, that was a fail. Yo. Okay, now that you made sure that it's on the chunk boundary corner, the pressure plate is on the other side of the chunk. You want to go out, and I also placed my pearl in it, make sure to do that. I'm gonna go up here, go through the nether portal. That you went through the nether portal, you're gonna fly at least 50 blocks away. My base is over there, so I'm gonna fly this way. Oh, just accidentally threw an ender pearl. You can also offhand, you can get rid of that so it's not in your offhand. So right over here is where I usually go. I'm gonna just build up this way. Oh, wow. Okay, so now you head to the nether portal, and it's pretty simple from here. You can move it around as much as you want, and let's say, I know I gotta eat first. Oh frick, sorry about this. Let's say somebody's chasing me, like I'm about to die. Like you see that cow. Let's say that's a weird magical cow that's about to kill me. You can just right click it once, and boom, it works. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have an awesome day. See you in the next video.